Hey, Crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and the next round of the $1 discounts and some viral items were spotted this week that I cannot wait to share. So let's dive into all of the goodies. Now, I'm starting off in the kitchen storage area. The Flip and Fresh brand has come out with some new storage container sets. Check out this pink set with the lid with the florals. Now, these are 4-piece sets. They have the lids and the bottoms with them. They come in assorted colors with assorted prints on them, and they are just $1.50 each. You get 2 lids, 2 containers. They hold about 4.2 cups, and this floral design is really so pretty and screams spring and summer. And speaking of summer, check these out by the Flip and Fresh brand. They have this blue striped one with strawberries on there. Now, if that doesn't say summer, I don't know what does. It really is super cute. This one's also very adorable too. This one has the cherries and little ribbons. It has a pink container, and these almost give me kind of a retro vibe with those cherries on it. Now, if you prefer lemons, the lemons paired with the navy blue is always a classic favorite. This one has the blue container with the lemon print on top. And then they have more of a red, white, and blue with ribbons and red stripes. This one's also in the collection. You guys, these are just $1.50 a piece, brand new, just released at Dollar Tree. Another thing in the kitchen section they have were these cups. Now, these have like a Spider-Man comic strip type of design with the lid on top. I only saw these in Spider-Man. These were really so super cute over in the kitchenwares section. And speaking of cups, they have some new ones that came out. Now, this is by the Vessel brand. These actually, just feeling them, you just knew they were better quality. They're 24 ounce and have a soft touch muted lavender. These are for cool beverages, and they are so really nice for $1.25. Now, another Vessel item that they had was this one, and this has got that chrome series. We've seen this style before, but not in this brand. You could tell it's better quality. Again, these are just $1.25 a piece. These containers always come in handy. I saw they just made their reappearance at Dollar Tree. It's 3 little containers in assorted colors with lids. These are great for snacks and portion control. And this 3-pack is $1.50. And our classic glass jars are restocked. They have new labeling, but they are the same ones. Let me know what you have used these jars for in your home. Now, over in Health and Beauty, if you love the hand sanitizers, they have new cases. These are the Charm cases, and these are really popular. They just unpacked these and put these on the shelf at my store. And what you could do is see those little charms on there and the charms that come with it. These you could actually attach to the case. So they come with one charm, and then you have extra ones that you actually can put on there. Now, I saw 2 different collections at my store, and they were adorable. I saw these in the middle of the week, and by the weekend, these were all gone. So don't sit on it. Don't think about it. You better grab them while you can, because I believe that these are going to sell out really quickly. So these little charm ones can be used for all kinds of different things. By the registers, another item that was really popular. Now, these are bag charms. You could get them in all kinds of different designs. Your ring pop, your icy pop, really cute items in name brand foods and snacks. They even had Heinz and pickles and macaroni and cheese. The whole hang strip was gone. Both of them were gone within a few days. They're $1.25. I think that these are going to be a really highly sought out item. Now, I had to go over to the crafts, and this time I saw some new diamond painting kits. Now, these are the bookmark designs. These just came out at my store. Now, these are really great, especially if you have someone you know or yourself that loves to read, and you want something fancy to kind of mark your pages, whether you want to read a book, you want to do a cookbook marking, or anything like that. And these kits come with everything. You get your gem pen, your glue, your tray, and you get several gem packets that come with this collection. So yes, if you're into crafting and diamond painting, definitely give these a try, because I have a feeling these won't last long either. They were already sold out at several of my stores, with only having 1 or 2 designs left on the shelf. Now, I'm lucky. I go to Dollar Tree several times a week, and I happen to find find these when they had just put them out. So the key is to visit often and visit as many stores as you can. Now, last week I showed you the leaf hooks. Look what is back. The floral, like rose hooks, are back in black, gray, and white with the gold accent. I'm happy to see these back because I needed 2 more gray ones and I never thought they were going to come back, but they did. I'm so excited. So be on the lookout for your stores for this hook to finish your collections. Last week I showed a bunch of the printed panel tees for $1.50 at Dollar Tree. This week they got even more of them. Look at all the different prints and designs on these tees, and you can see that they have assorted sizes available. In the adult sizes, small up to 3X were at my stores, but they did have a bunch of different fun designs that you could choose from for whatever you may be looking for your family members or friends. And these t-shirts come in handy if you just want to lounge out in them, wear them out. It just doesn't matter. For $1.50, if you just need a kick around t-shirt, why not? Such a great deal for just $1.50 for these little t-shirts. I hope you find these in your stores as well. Now, over in the hand loofah section, I found this 2-panel hand scrubber in those popular characters. You could get them in a SpongeBob design. You could get them in the Smurfs. They have this one with the Paw Patrol. That's another one. These are only just $1.25. Now, at another store, I found the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle 2-panel hand loofah. That's another one that you can grab. They also have these beauty sponges. These come with their own stand, and I definitely can appreciate the stand because after you use your sponge, you want to clean it out. This stand allows it to dry out from all angles, getting complete airflow, which keeps it nice, clean, and sanitary. And I saw this particular design in 4 different colors, so be on the lookout for these two for $1.25. Now, they did have a 3-piece set right next to it. This comes with a large a large sponge and 2 small sponges or accent sponges on the side. So if you're putting together like a gift set or just want some extras for $1.25, you can grab these. They also have this one. This one comes with a large sponge and a makeup cloth. And I only saw 2 different colors of this one. So yes, $1.25 for these sets. Check out these hand soaps in fruit-shaped containers. So this one is the pineapple version, and they also have the strawberry version. Now, these are plastic containers, definitely can be cleaned and reused for more soap or hand sanitizer, lotion, or whatever you may want for $1.25. And these were brand new. So Amber Glow has come out with some new hand and body lotions. Aqua Blue, they do have the Sweet Lemon, and they have Sun Kissed Citrus, new for $1.25. I also saw these kids face wipe singles in a 30-pack. I only found 1 left, and they're only $1.25. Now, this was a score, you guys. Oasis Vanity organizers have just showed up at one of my Dollar Trees. This has 4 compartments. I've never seen one with 4 compartments. You could put all kinds of things in here: cotton balls, swabs, floss, whatever you may want. I found more Father's Day things continuing on from last week. This time, the picture frames. They have the 2-tone 5x7 picture frame, which is really, really nice. They also have this one here with the black and the natural, more inset, almost like a shadow box. These are really nice frames as well. I was really impressed with the quality of these. Their picture frames are increasing in quality. So yes, definitely check out the Dollar Tree for these frames. And here's another one. This is 3 4x4 pictures inside one frame. They come with a black and a gold finish. These would be great to give to Dad to do a collage of your favorite pictures. Now on to the $1 sale, you guys. This week, it started on Friday. The Lay's stacks are $1 down from $1.50. So you could get the sour cream and onion. You could get the original stacks containers for $1. You can also get the mesquite barbecue, all just $1. I am really loving the reduction in some of these prices at Dollar Tree. Definitely more intriguing, definitely more balanced. So make sure you check these deals out. Now, another thing they have for $1 are all of the little freeze pops, ices, slushy drinks, Italian ices, whatever you want to call them. They are all just $1 now at Dollar Tree. And this is perfect in time for summer. Kids are out of school. They have 10 or more per pack, you guys, and they're just $1. So make sure you check this out at your stores as well. Other snacks that I saw are these Tidbit brands. So they have these roasted and salted cashews and dill cashews. I've never seen these two products at Dollar Tree before. $1.25. Now, also in the Tidbit brand, they have this espresso plus mix here. This is also $1.25. Have you guys seen the So Natural coconut water chocolate version? I'm a little bit skeptical about this. If you guys have tried this, let me know, but it does sound really interesting. So yes, if you tried the chocolate water, let me know. Now, this particular Dollar Tree had a markdown section, and in this section, they had some reductions. Now, they did have all the 2026 calendars in there, and as you can see, they marked them 50 cents, but this was before they went to a penny recently. So most of the calendars, organizers, and planners, those are all a penny now at most Dollar Tree stores. So make sure when they go to the register, they do scan at a penny. But yes, if you're looking for something like that, definitely check it out. Now, also in the clearance section, they have other things. We've seen these candles and wax melts and air fresheners for 75 cents. And they also have some bread items and desserts also for 50 cents. So make sure you check it out. Now listen, if you're not receiving my notifications when my content is posted, first, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Go to your profile and click the little gear up at the corner. You want to scroll down, click notifications, and then slide on to turn on your subscriptions. This way, you don't miss a video when it goes live, and you can catch all these deals before everybody else grabs them. So now we're going to go over to the plus section. There are a few things I wanted to show you that I've never seen before. This frosted Sterilite container that has the little dip cut out in front, great for putting under sinks and cabinets so you can reach products really easy for $4. And then they have this ice cube tray. So this is a clear kind of acrylic container. It has a round cube ice tray on the inside, and it even comes with a little scoop on the inside so you could scoop out those little round ice cubes as you make them. I was really impressed with this, and it was actually pretty good weight. It's only $6 at Dollar Tree. Another item that I saw was interesting are more candles. So these are 3-wick candles, these citrus raspberry, they have these starfall serenity, and they have sugared lemon. I was really impressed with the throw of these. They smelled really, really nice. And they're only $5 for a 14-ounce candle. Now I did see these are mom themed candles, best mom ever. And they did have this most loved mom. I didn't see them for Mother's Day, but they are $5 and they did smell really nice. And for you guys looking for those mystery dumplings, they are out at Dollar Tree. There is a limit of 5 per customer. They are $3. They are at the store. It is true, but you want to make sure you grab them now. They are selling so quick. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more awesome scores and finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope that you all enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you guys find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and the store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget it's free to subscribe, and you'll be notified ahead of time when we drop a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.